Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to take a look at a cool modified version of our standard Snap Attack football launching machine case. So this is a standardized product for us. You can buy the case with or without the football launching machine direct from lmcasesonline.com. And one of the unique things about this particular case is our standardized case gives you two power options. And although this case gives you two power options, it's different. So the way that power comes into the case is with this live cable reel. So from the factory, from us, it comes with 125 feet of SO cable loaded on this, so that wherever you're at in a practice facility or in a stadium, you can bring power to this case. And then as you need more power, it can be pulled. So this is what's called a live reel. So even with the reel energized, you can pull more cable. Now, our standard case that is available online comes with a generator. So if you're in a situation where the cord reel, your power is not available and you need to use, you need to be off-grid, you can use a generator. The unique thing about this particular case is the customer requested that we put a step-down transformer in this because they will be taking it to Europe. So it's a slightly modified version of the case so that one half of the case can be powered with the cable reel and then the other half can be powered with a step-down transformer. So when you're in a variety of European countries, you can step that down to a normal 120 volts. So much like the standard case, it has what we call our GTS10A transfer switch, which is an AB switch so that you can have two power sources that output to one singular source so that you can't backfeed. Now, this is a panel that we build in bulk so that we have them in stock for these particular things. So on the left-hand side here, it says wired land. And on the right-hand side, or excuse me, the right-hand side, it says that. On the left-hand side, it says step-down transformer. In its native state, it would say generator, but we have a P-Touch label on this. So the way that this works is when voltage is present, you can see this little indicator light right here. There is a red one on the other side. So if we put it in the center position, it actually shuts the machine off. If you put it towards the right-hand side, it will show that voltage is present. So of those of you who are familiar with the Snap Attack machines, they come from Sports Attack with a male Edison on the other side, or to power the machine. Very short, just about this long. What we do is we replace that with a locking Neutrik True1 connector, and then that is powered by what we call our DSK-T, as in Tango, power outlet that goes in the case. Now these are cool. The DSK-T is a product that we again make in bulk. This is a great way for providing a power outlet. Sorry, this is difficult to do. A power outlet in different applications. This one, it just allows this to click in, just like this, and provide a locking power connection for the machine. Now, one of the other unique things we have is a meter panel. So this comes with a 20 amp capable hydraulic breaker. It also shows the voltage present and how many amps the machine is drawing. So as an example, if we turn the machine on, the amp meter will show the amp draw of the system. So the reason why we have that there is when you're on European power, that is one more verification that you are getting 120 volts. So just in case there is a problem, the breaker is rated for both 120 and 240 volt applications. And it also shows you that the machine is getting the proper output voltage. So I'm sure you're wondering, the transformer has a mating, or the inlet for the transformer is a True1. Now this is an IP-rated water-resistant connection. It's locking. So this just sort of stores wrapped around on this. This is mounted on a slide-out shelf. And then we give you 3 power cord options with this. So this is European standard E, G, and F connections. So these types of power cords are available so that you can take a variety of countries. I think these are rated, I'm doing this off the top of my head, it is the UK, Spain, and Germany. So it pretty much gets you a good majority of Europe. Italy is a little weird. They have a couple of standards, but they, for the most part, can handle this. So commonly, these connectors are called Chuco connectors, these two-prong ones, and I can't remember what this one is called. It's either an F or an E or a G, one of those three. So if you do find yourself going to Europe and need custom power cables built, you can buy these direct from us at lmcasesonline.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. So one of the reasons why we like True1 connections a lot is not only does it give you a mating male and female connector so you can make extension cords and all that other kind of stuff, this is also a 200 volt rated connection. So I know this one's a little bit weird, much like most of the things that we show you here at LM, but if you have any questions, you can email me, billy@lmcases.com. If you'd like to buy any of the power cables or power products that are being shown, check the links in the description for that. And if you'd like to see our online store, we are lmcasesonline.com. If you would like to see the daily goings-on at LM, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.